Suddenly, Mom sees a much bigger Grant's gazelle and takes a gamble. She just needs to pull it down and nail the killer bite. But this gazelle bucks the rules of Cheetah Fight Club. It's not coming quietly. The gazelle is more than twice her weight. So the cubs try to help. They can't let the prize escape. But it still won't go down. And in a split second, the gazelle turns the tables. He quickly shifts his head, putting the cheetah directly in the firing line of his deadly weapons. 30-inch horns. Mom tries to stay between the deadly spikes. As the powerful gazelle rams her into the dirt. But then, disaster. The gazelle's spear-like horn skewers her torso. It punctures hide and muscle, deep into an area packed with vital organs, stomach, liver, and bladder. The gazelle's defensive weapons save him. But the big cat is badly gored. And a cheetah that can't sprint after prey is as good as dead. The brutal battle slaps a death sentence on this feline family. Without their mother to protect them, these two cubs will go from running with the hunter to running as the hunted.